All for One's attack on Deku's might not be what it seems in chapter 311 of the manga, but the stage for My Hero Academia's finale is set nonetheless. The pacing of the My Hero Academia manga shifts into higher gear in chapter 311, which is named as Here We Go, as the top heroes find themselves under attack. Deku has been avoiding meeting up with his allies, All Might and the top 3, to keep them out of the harm's way. But it seems like the inevitable has finally happened. The chapter ends with All Might, Beast Genius, Hawks and Endeavor losing Deku's GPS signal just as the bomb is thrown at their vehicle. Deku is confronted by an assassin that he suspects that has been sent by All for One. But after assessing the situation, it's unclear how true the claim is. Many hints have been dropped on how both sides are struggling with in the post-anti-hero era, and it's going to come down to who executes the first move successfully. The remaining heroes are aware that All for One's ultimate goal is to acquire One for All from Deku, but all of their searching of the League of Villains has left them empty-handed so far. They are also using Deku as a bait to lure All for One out, running the risk of losing him to one of the 100 or even so escaped villains roaming freely. Their only advantage is that the fact that Shigaraki has not yet allowed All for One to hijack his body, which is also causing some internal struggle within the League of Villains. In the terms of whether or not other villains are working with All for One, there are two possibilities in the MHA manga that could shift the narrative. Based on the clues in chapter 311, All for One has definitely made the first move by attacking All Might in his car, as well as halting the car with Beast Genius, Endeavor and Hawks inside with a bomb. That was clearly a collective effort to stop the key heroes at the same time, making the situation even more chaotic for Deku. All for One is desperate, given that he has only a short amount of time before his body deteriorates, and the timing of his attacks lines up well with all of the other confusion caused by those in the society who have no faith in heroes now. As for the assassin who reveals herself to Deku, at first glance she seems like a hired gun. But for some reason there is a person unconscious behind her, in the shadows, and that also without any arms. The unconscious person could have been the original hired assassin, and for some reason the new villain stopped them from attacking Deku. The fact that she refers to Deku as the boy in the green may only solidify this, as she doesn't even appear to know Deku's name. If she was the hired gun, she would have known all the details about her mark and how to stop him without retaliation. Moreover, she also asked him to come quietly so he won't get hurt. The assassin's mercifulness warning could be her way of telling Deku about All for One's plan to abduct him. News travels fast in the villain world, and there are probably fractions that are tied to All for One, but also possibly some that are tired of the old ways and seek a new ruling system. She could have known about All for One's plan to separate the heroes and decide to intervene before the League of Villains could get involved. Since she was in the same high security prison cell as All for One, it's safe to assume that she also held some sort of statue in the villain world. Maybe she's even seeking to overthrow All for One. If true, these events could be teasing a potential hero-villain team-up to take down All for One and the League of Villains too, especially in the wake of the previous war between the heroes and the Shigaraki that didn't end so well. All for One's seemingly impatient first move kicks off the plot for the MHA finale. It's safe to assume that the heroes are not only one that are tired of the current status and seek some kind of resolution for it. All for One meanwhile might have just set himself up for a battle he was not anticipating with other villains, but knowing him, he will surely have another plan to handle any unnecessary retaliations. What are your thoughts about My Hero Academia's new latest chapter? Let me know your thoughts about the new chapter in the comment section down below. And if you enjoyed this video, just don't forget to like this video, because I post daily anime content about top 10 top 5 listings, anime reviews, recommendations, news, theories and all sort of anime content on daily basis. So if you are interested in that kind of content, then make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also make sure to share this video with your friends. And that was for today's video guys, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara.